Hi friends, brought in for repair the Alice speaker. And in this video I will show how a 3D printer can help in repair. The speaker was dropped and as a result the wire on the plug broke. I disassembled the power supply, fixed it first and then discovered that the plug sometimes had voltage and sometimes not. Having disassembled the tip, I soldered it and made a tip using a 3D printer. It turned out like a factory one. Take a look. The plug looks pretty good. Since the power supply is now glued after disassembly, we have a seam left and it is very visible. The question arose of how to hide this unsightly seam on the plastic. Here a 3D printer came to my aid. I printed a cover that will be put on the power supply and thus hide the unsightly seam. Now I will glue this cover to the unit with special glue. On the power supply, I also indicated my channel logo. This is a Russian language channel. I am now dubbing all the videos and for you, friends, on this channel. The power supply has even become more convenient because now there is a special cover that you can hold on to. The cover is now glued and won't move anywhere. In this simple way, I managed to close the place where I had to do a little damage to get to the power supply board. Let's connect the power supply to the network. We connected the power supply and now we connect the Alice speaker. We connect the plug, which I also repaired. As you can see, Alice started working. The plug looks like a factory one and does not spoil the look. It does not stand out. I made it black.
Отсутствует подключение к интернету.
It is connected to another Wi-Fi, so it cannot go online. Done. The power supply and plug are repaired, and a 3D printer helped us with this. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. See you soon, friends, in the next video.